Hi, my name is Kelly, and I attended Chanel for the Law and Practice program through 2023 to 2024. So, what did I enjoy the most about my placement year? I enjoyed really being able to partake in unique projects for the Arts, Culture, and Communication seat, as well as for the Tech and Innovation seat. What's the most enjoyable for me from my experience in the Arts and Culture seat is really having the ability to work on multiple different projects from beginning to end. You don't really realize the amount of legal contracts and work that goes on behind the scene leading up to such big events. So it was a great opportunity to get immersed in the practical side of it, which can include drafting contracts and liaising with global teams. I also really enjoyed the variety of work that I had the opportunity to do in tech and innovation. This primarily spanned AI litigation and data privacy legislation research. So what were the main skills that I developed during the placement? I think key takeaway skills that I learned were really how to develop my verbal and written communication, and also especially how to effectively draft a contract. It was very crucial of me to have a sound understanding of the most important provisions that can affect the business, and then having the ability to convey these complex legal concepts in a very easily and simple, digestible manner to those who may not be able to understand complicated legal jargon. Attention to detail is always obviously very important, especially when you're reviewing very high value and lengthy contracts. Time management and organization is also key, especially when you're working in a very dynamic and fast-paced environment. You're expected to really manage your work concurrently with your other responsibilities and learn which tasks to prioritize, so then you can actually present your work in a reasonable time frame and to a really good standard. I think also advocacy and presentation skills are also important, because you'll often be expected to interact and liaise with other team members, or you may be also expected to lead team meetings or present anything during those team meetings. And I think last but not least, having that curiosity to learn and always having that resilience will really help you adapt to situations quicker and really take you far in the placement. So reflecting now, what did I learn overall about legal practice from the placement? From the placement, I've had the chance to really directly assist and support in a range of arts and culture matters, from directly drafting the contracts to liaising with senior members to discern what is really needed in the body of the agreement. This has really allowed me to witness the law in practice and apply my practical skills and also my soft skills, which I've discussed previously, and also what I'd learned at university thus far. Being provided with plenty of opportunities to network both within the company and in seminars held by external law firms also contributed significantly towards my character development and my career progression. So overall, although this year has been very challenging, it's also been very rewarding and has forced me out of my comfort zone and develop skills which I may have been weaker on. So for example, I may not have been as strong on my public speaking skills, but having that opportunity to present your ideas within each team meeting really helped me develop that. So I really cannot recommend a placement year more. Not only am I more disciplined, but I've also gained an invaluable network of supportive and inspirational people that motivate me to really continue to do my best. So lastly, how did the placement help me consider my career path? Throughout the placement, obviously, I managed to gain an abundance of practical skills and knowledge in the legal industry. I also had the opportunity to be mentored and receive guidance from really experienced practitioners. Hearing personal experiences from more senior members of the firm have also been really helpful in shaping decisions regarding my future career plans. Hearing how different everyone's experiences are as to how they actually came to do law really inspired me and helped me consider whether this was actually the right fit for me or not. I found that it's really, really important to go into these placements with an open mind and just try and absorb as much as possible to be able to figure out if this is the right profession for you. And having the opportunity for me to participate in this placement really solidified that fact for me.